No, they don't.
Yes, they do.
They get sad? Do they actually get sad?
Yes, click on
What?
workers and look at their happy meter.
They have a happy
In
meter.
the hell?
Oh, how do you get them to stay happy?
You just put them on a break when they need
I
one.
have not put my people on a break.
Jesus
Yeah,
Yeah,
Christ.
it's moving. I know, I see. It's like a little worm. That'd be pretty sick. What the hell?
Workers.
Gabe
65
made a
bucks.
flying date. Here, yeah. I mean, Gabe can just clip that on his PC. Can I just start like a wildfire? How do I do that?
Do you start a wildfire?
Yes.
Interesting question. Do not search that up.
Okay, can I search it up?
Not a good idea. FBI
Why?
on your trail.
Oh, it's right. Oh my god, why? No, your thingy burned.
Gabe's thingy burned.
Yes. Why is your train... Bro, this literally looks so cursed. It looks like this is giving me like... I don't know, Saumus the Jefferson train.
I'll bet.
Who's that train station? The Saumus guy?
The train station!
No, who's Saumus? Saumus, babe. Saumus the train station.
Gabe's probably on the floor right now.
What is his name?
Thomas the tank engine?
Yes!
Thomas the train station?
Thomas Jefferson. Whose freaking cake is this?
Was it the tank? I thought it was the train station.
Thomas the
What?
train
Thomas
station?
the train station? Thomas the tank engine, Eliza?
Yeah.
What the frig?
Thomas the train
thought it was
station's
the
fucking
train-
phenomenal.
I thought it was the train station.
Oh shoot, whose pizza is this? Whose pizza is this?
Thomas the train station.
What is his last name?
The tank engine.
Bro,
I
Elijah,
thought
what
it
is
was
going on?
Jefferson.
What is going on with
The
you?
tank is his title.
I thought it was Thomas the Jefferson, and then I thought that was his last name.
Jefferson! Oh my god, the president, Elijah!
Holy shit! I almost just threw up of laughter. Oh my
The
god.
president is a train!
Oh my
The
god.
president is a train!
Holy shit.
So I'm in the
Oh.
survival world, is that right?
Oh, you can be.
We're just breezing over the fact that our president
Thomas
is a
the
train.
Jefferson train station.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's what I
Jesus
thought it
fucking
was.
Christ, it's phenomenal.
I thought it was Thomas.
I actually almost just threw up of laughter.
For a while, I thought you were talking about the Underground Railroad.
What?
What?
Because I couldn't think of anything else.
Not Thomas the Underground Railroad.
Thomas the Underground Railroad?
Bro.
Oh no.
Oh god. Holy shit.
I'm sweating from laughing. It's way too hot in this.
Thomas the Underground.
Can I have /creative privileges, please?
Yes. I don't
Thomas
know how
the
to do
Little
that.
Dipper.
Gabe can do that. Thomas the racist.
What?
That's what Gabe said.
No. Thomas the
Ew.
anti-Semitic train. Holy
The
shit.
anti-Semitic.
Frig, I'm a few off. Shoot.
Thomas Jefferson, the train station.
Oh my
I
god,
thought that
I'm
was
literally
the-
$1 off.
That is by far the funniest thing that Eliza has ever said to me.
I seriously thought that was his last name.
Bro. Eliza.
I'm literally deaf. I don't even remember. No, because literally, if you look
You're
at Gabe,
deaf, so
like,
you don't remember.
I hired another waiter. But he's a freaking level 1. I'm gonna make this one a waitress.
My brother asked, how did you get to... No fucking way, he messed up that bad.
my father asked why Thomas is jeffing to Lewis. What?
What? What? What is going on?
I don't know. My father asked why Thomas is jeffing Lewis. Okay.
VIP customer.
My God, the Woodland Mansion is still burning to death. Gabe, why are you setting a fire wild forest? Not even a forest.
A fire wild forest?
I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. Oh my God.
Not another waitress.
Fire wild forest.
Eliza, I think
No.
it's time that you maybe go to bed.
Jesus
no.
Christ.
Oh my gosh.
The fire wild forest.
The fire forest.
Eliza.
It's okay. I'll be okay.
It's not okay.
Eliza, please check if the oven is on in your house.
Yes.
What?
I'm
yeah.
outside baking.
It's SpongeBob that
Are you
sticks out
serious?
his tongue.
Oh my god, you're talking about SpongeBob, Eliza?
Yes,
Alfredo.
there's a
talking about Alfredo? Who's Alfredo?
there's a fish.
No, there's
There's
not. Eliza, what is going on? Eliza, please.
Listen to me.
It's crying.
Eliza, you get no remorse. Somebody please record this.
I'm like actually crying right now. This is the
Are you
funniest
talking about
fucking
the
thing.
guy with the pickle?
The guy with the pickles. He has a pickle?
Bro.
Wait. There's a fish in SpongeBob, right?
Oh, I'm gonna fucking collapse. Holy shit.
He sticks his tongue out because it's hard.
Dude, I've been helping the
And
chef
then it
so
looks like
much.
Gabe.
He's so unhappy.
What the
looks like
fuck
Gabe
are you
says
talking
Gabe.
about?
Because when Gabe laughs, he also sticks his tongue out like Alfredo.
Who the fuck is Alfredo?
The
Oh.
fish from SpongeBob. Is it the guy with the pickles then?
Bro, what?
My mind,
Don't
my
know
Woodland
what she's
Mansion is just
talking about.
Brian. That's Bubble Lick. Who's that? Who's Bubble Lick?
Eliza, the only person I can find is Alfred the light bulb.
Bro.
Who the
Alfred
fuck
the
is
light bulb.
Alfredo?
Who's that?
Do you know
I'm
how
not-
Alfredo looks like?
Alfredo sauce? No. Alfredo SpongeBob.
Apparently he just sticks his tongue out because he's hard?
Not because he's hard, it's because his tongue is hard.
Hey, but it's not Bubble Buddy because she said she doesn't know about the pickles.
No, it's definitely not Bubble Buddy.
Wait, fish?
I don't know
sticks
who
his tongue out.
Alfredo
I
is.
guess it was two.
Who the fuck is Alfredo?
SpongeBob.
The game's
Never mind.
lagging a bit, so I may just quit for a while. But
Yeah, I'm lagging too because of freaking Gabe. I got a power drill.
Might have been from me.
Probably. I don't know what the hell he's doing. I'm confused. Where is your little train station, Gabe? I mean, your slime train.
Thomas the Tank. Thomas the train station.
Bro, I don't think Brian's okay.
I don't think you're okay, Eliza.
I'm perfectly fine.
You're
it's just
not.
private hours. Gabe just fell to his. Never mind.
Y'all
What?
roommate.
What happened?
I can't hear Brian. All I heard was y'all were great. Are you dying or something?
Y'all remember when they killed the train because they put him behind the wall and they bricked him up?
Brian, you sound
Wait.
so
Did
sad.
you just say
No,
I
he's
killed-
dying of laughter.
I killed the train because I picked him up?
Because they said, oh, Henry the Tank had to go. And then they put him bricked up behind like an abandoned train station. Never to be seen again.
Henry the tank station is bricked up behind a wall and is never seen again.
No, hold on.
He's holding on to rubber? What? And I can't understand you.
List Thomas the Tank deaths. Lists of death. Number 1, Henry pushed off the cliff by Diesel. Number 10, Gordon pushed off the cliff by Diesel. Thomas
Gordon
blown
Ramsay.
up by Diesel.
Wait.
Percy
Did you say Gordon
blown up
Ramsay?
by Diesel.
Brian's actually
Gordon
dying right
Ramsay
now.
pushed off dancing. Gordon Ramsay
Brian's
pushed
never
off
laughed this hard at it. Why is it this is because of you?
I didn't do anything.
Saumus, how did you get to? Whoa, you can move that back there?
Yeah, you can move your entire restaurant.
Gabe, can you make icicles?
How
I
long
didn't
was
know.
Thomas in a coma for? When Thomas
What?
awakens after being in a coma for 3 years, he realizes that his family had been brutally murdered and his sister is missing.
Brian, are you looking at fan fictions of Saumus the Engine?
Thomas the engine. The engine.
Brian, don't tell me you're looking up a fan fictions of him.
This is straight from Google. Thomas
Okay.
the Tank death. That's all I had to search.
Saumus the
How to
Tank
kill.
death.
How to kill Thomas the Tank Engine. Things
How
to
to kill?
know.
Wait. I'm sorry. Did you just say how to kill a person?
Preparing.
3 ways to kill Thomas the Tank Engine. The many
What are the
ways
3 ways
of how
to
to
kill him?
kill Thomas the Tank Engine. It's a YouTube video.
Why do they have a YouTube video on that?
The child drawing as a thumbnail.
The
Oh.
childish Wong? What are you talking about? I cannot hear you because all I hear
When
is
you closed your restaurant, all the people you had in there after they finished eating
okay.
it, no more
You
came
called
in,
Chris
right?
hand job, not.
I kicked
Brian.
everybody out. I didn't really care.
What is
It
this?
would take
mossy
way too
looking
long
thing?
to just
Okay, you go on.
wait.
Oh, I'm falling.
I put my discoveries in the general chat.
I wanna see this. You know, it would be really bad if we played the headphone
A
game.
list of death.
Oh, after being in a coma for 3 years, he realizes his family had been murdered and his sister is missing. The frig, the lost patient ending explained. What did Thomas do?
What did Thomas do?
That's Diesel?
That's Diesel.
Okay, so why did Diesel kill Thomas?
I mean,
I'm
he's
so
clearly
Is
angry.
this lore or?
Wait, so Diesel killed Thomas
No,
because
not
Diesel
lore.
was angry.
Diesel killed a lot of people, apparently.
What did he do? Like run them over or something? Like what?
Bro, they were
He
trained.
was pushed off the cliff.
That's so mean. Wait, wasn't Thomas locked up in a cave once? No, like I see. Why did Brian? do? Brian, you don't understand. I seen a video on him. Okay. All right. This is what happened. He was locked. No, he wasn't locked. There was this like cover thingy, right? And he was behind the cover. What is it called? Whatever it's called. I feel like I'm drunk. I'm not. Anyways, no, I did drink sangria. Okay, whatever.
This explains a whole lot.
No, it's not because of that.
I remembered it. I remembered it correctly. His name was Henry.
Henry was the one who got locked up behind the cave.
He was the one who's bricked up, yes.
What?
See, I told you he was,
was
wasn't
Henry.
he? He was bricked behind
Look
the
in
cave.
general.
Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Oh my god, I'm not losing my mind. Oh my god, thank
We're
God.
losing it together.
We're figuring this out.
Good. And then they
I have a
bricked him.
question.
That's,
What?
How did the trains lock up Henry when they don't have hands?
there
How
are
did they put
people.
the bricks together? Oh, there was people. Okay.
They're people. They're conductors. They're passengers. Yeah.
So were the conductors friends with the trains?
Things because Henry didn't want to drive anymore, so they said,
So what?
"Well,
He just shut down and rotted in a cave because he didn't want to go out in the rain.
How do I place a drive-through window?
I've never placed one,
Gabe, where did you go?
and
There's a
I
picture
probably
up here.
won't for a long time.
well, we're gonna watch the time you told us to take engine for lore."
Why is there a wither in my swamp? Come on, guy. Brian,
For tonight.
what is going on here?
I'm just satisfied. That's all I am.
I'm just satisfied. Look at Brian being
Satisfaction.
satisfied. What is the wither? I've never seen a wither before. Why is there 3 witherers?
With oh, Elijah. Who's humming?
Like that. Why is there a stupid boxy fire?
I'm trying to stop myself from
Oh,
going
man.
insane.
Even it's a lot funner this way.
I'm really trying to stop myself from going insane. This is actually hilarious.
Eliza, thank you for all that you do.
Oh, I need to. Why is that a baby witherer? What the? Oh my god! Why are you spawning salmon? I mean, and eyes. What is that? It look. Why is it? What is that? I know that's not salmon, but that's what it said on the thing. It said salmon.